All right, so I picked up this 3-pack of watch bands here. I don't see the seller listed on here. It is Relting, and I don't know if I see it on the label there either. These are supposed to be hopefully 21 millimeter um, bands. So hope that is the case. So, so and, all right. Oh, so they each come with a, wow, 3-pack of the, whatever you call them in there. Um, so spares should only need 2. So there we go. Gray, bluish, black or dark gray. I forget. And hopefully easily adjustable. Moderately easily adjustable. And so kind of soft and have some give to it. So question is, will they fit the watch that I was intending to put them on? So, I don't know. We find out. So I assume we just slide these in here. Hopefully that goes in there. What am I missing? Thought that would. There we go. Okay. Got to push. All right. And this guy over there. And I guess I need to push harder because it didn't go in. Come on. Maybe not. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. So I don't think it matters which side. Well, actually, it does because I want that on the outside. So I guess I need to do that. Yay. Call that a win. And I should loosen that a little more. Nope. Sorry, just coming to a dexterity problem. There we go. So, indeed, there we are. That is working um, on the watch, and yeah. So the real question is, how much room does that give me on my? Okay, plenty of room. I can tighten that down again, um, and or I can wear it, up higher if I want. So good bit of stretch to it. Yeah. So I'm going to assume they're all the same size, and so seems to be working, doing exactly what I wanted. So I will take that, call that a win, and hope that helps you out. Take care. Have a good day.
So I received my 3 bands. I got the green, gray, and the black. The metal pieces that come with it to get it into your watch are different. They have like a little hook in them. Um, I'll put one in there. There we go. So the little pieces that go in your watch, because it like they compress right there. It goes into this little piece. There's like a little hook right there. But my watch does not I just used the ones that were on my old. These are my old ones, and it broke in the leather piece. And the ones that came with that allowed me to get the band into the watch part. I really like it, but the only problem is that. Sorry, I'm trying to like click this in. But yeah, see, like it clicks in there, and you can slide it around with this like little bar, so you can get it in there. I'm assuming easier, but my only problem, I have the Timex Expedition men's watch or whatever, is that there's a space. It's like a Ben 10 Omnitrix watch. It kind of sits above where it's supposed to, but it's not super uncomfortable. See the gap? Because it doesn't extend all the way. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to do that because this is on the Timex store, but it is really easy to take off and put back on. I think this is the 19mm band, but I just used the old ones because they worked better and they were easier without the slide bar. These ones are just straight without the little sliding piece. It doesn't have that. So I don't know. I'm going to use it for now so I can have my watch back, but I might get one that lays this flush because the gap is a little weird. So I think that these are supposed to come out more and not be caught up on this edge. But it's pretty nice. It's really comfortable. It's breathable. It flexes, tighten it, loosen it. Goes pretty loose. But I like it for the most part, but I do wish it didn't have the gap. But other than that, pretty nice.
Love it.
Request for a dog. Okay, I'll let them know. Cool. Eric goes back to training, and Jane